Good afternoon, guys. Good day, good evening, good night. Shalom, shikamo, wagwan, namaste. Suboleng, my people, depending on your time zone. Your mama here is just here. I'm just here, guys. And at times, you just need quiet place, alone, especially when financial matters are pressing you so hard. Yeah, you just want to sit somewhere and re-strategize, rethink, and see what you can do. Yeah. So I'm here at this my friend's wall here. Yeah, they are. It's It's in the vicinity of my ambitious project, the one that is now giving me sleepless nights. Yeah, I'm just here. Maybe I show you. See, you see, I'm in the vicinity. See that? That's the ambitious project, our project that has been ongoing for the last how many years? Since Corona time up to now. So that is what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I'm seated here. I'm just seated here so that I can have some breathing fresh air. I breathe fresh air and rethink. I've not even gone to the site itself. I just came from this side. See, this side, came from that side, and then just decided to have a sit here because of the sun is also sunning so much, and just wanted to have a me time here. So I've been seated here for the last 30 minutes. So the more reason why now I can talk to you on this very area. Yeah. So things are as you can see. Yep. So I gave a handyman some work to do there, where we cut that acacia tree, to slash that plot. And then yesterday, and the agreement was you slash and finish. But now yesterday, he started slashing yesterday after 3 days after I'd given him the work. He started slashing yesterday. And then now what I'm seeing is that it's so quiet. It's like he has not come to continue. So, and yesterday evening he was asking me for money. And the agreement was you finish, then I pay you. But now he comes, just as I was leaving the site, that, hey, Mama, can you give me some 500 shillings? And I'm like, what? I never work with money. I don't have money. Yeah. And then he said, okay. Then he left. Now I can't see. I'm seeing he has not yet slashed. He hasn't continued with the slashing. It is so quiet there. Yeah. And back at the site, you can see. Yeah, back at the site, you can see. I was zooming in. You can see our caretaker house has come up very well. So it's I think it's doing the final touches before he can put the iron sheets. Yeah, so that is how it looks, and that is how our site looks like when zoomed. Yeah, when zoomed, that is how it looks like. Because I'm sitting a bit far from the place. Yeah, so that is how it's going, guys. The iron sheets are supposed to be placed next. I think it's still aligning the other side so that no water or no rain goes in by the sides. At times it rains, it can rain with wind, windy rain can go in. So he's trying to seal all that before he can place in, he can shut it with the iron sheets. It has come out a stylish, a nice house right there. It's even higher than the gate. I thought the gate was higher. Now I'm seeing it's like it's higher than the gate. Yeah, that is Tani. Tani does everything. So it's working on that, and it's with my security person, Dixon. Is the handyman today there. So maybe now that I've gathered some strength, I can walk there and see at a closer range how things are unfolding. Yes. So let us go. Let's go. So let us go and see what's going on. But first of all, let us now inspect or check where the slashing was supposed to take place. What has really happened? Let me see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm seeing my own things. Let me go closer and have a look as what is going on. I could be wrong. And maybe he came and slashed in the morning. This is serious. He didn't. This is what he did yesterday. For sure. Yeah? That's what he did yesterday. He's supposed to move to the end, the other side. And our medicine is right there. So he brought his shirt and left it there, or the shirt slept there. Not slept, but it was left there overnight. The shirt is an unliving thing. It can't be sleepy. Couldn't have slept. Yeah, it was left there overnight. And so this is what I'm seeing here. And our house from behind. Maybe I move this way. This is the tree that was the acacia that was brought down last week. That's the acacia. That one. And our house from the rear view. That's a shade making it look like it is so dark. No. So that's the house from the rear side, not the back. The back is facing the neighbor. So this is how it is. This is how it looks like from the rear side. Yeah, this way. So yeah. And then the wall, then the wall. So that's how the water is supposed to be going up there and coming down. That's how things are. On this side, that window has not been painted yet. They forgot it all. And even the even this rail here hasn't been painted. Yeah. Let me see. Yep. That is how things are here. That's where I was seated. I was seated there. And this is our site. This other side. So let's continue moving. See? That is how that the caretaker house has come out. And see the gate. The roof of the gate is now looking shorter. It's now looking very short. Yeah. So that is how. That's where we've come from. That side. A small bush here. It's been cleared. Houses, as you can see. It's like that. That way, like that way, like that way. So that is what is going on. You can see. Yeah, let's go in. Should even be going in or should go the other side. Those are timbers. That is being used to work on this house here. Let me see inside. So, this is the house from this end. From this end. Habari yenu? Kawaniski. Can't hear me. Yeah, up. They can't hear me. But that is how the house is. Let us see this side. What is going on? It's already 4. It's already 4. Yep. Yeah. So outside, that is how it looks like. I'm up here, the aerial view of that house. You can see together with the gate right there. Yeah. So this is how it looks like, and he's trying to finish. Yeah. So I think tomorrow will just be what? It will just be covering with the iron sheet. So the road is right there. I can see somebody passing. So that is how it is. It's done. Yeah. So this side, we are here in the man-made forest, our neighbor, and you just see what's going on. That is how it's going there. Huh? Huh? Saboti, haki mmepaka hapo na hata haikutengenezwa vizuri hapo juu. Hiyo unaona vile inakaa, opia hakutengeneza hapo juu ya hiyo. So unaona hapo vile iko haiko kwa line, haikupigwa plaster juu yake. Unaona vile iko. Sio juu kabisa, hiyo juu yako tu, kichwa yako tu. Na hata naona sasa umeanza kupaka mpaka kwa mawe pia unapaka. Hiyo si poa. Ni kazi gani hii sasa? Hiyo mshipi hiyo yote hiyo iko mbaya, haikutengenezwa vizuri. Na mnaendelea kuipaka. So unaona tu haijapigwa plaster. Wanasema walimaliza aje na haijamalizwa. Hata jana tukiwa na Mugambi hapa alisema itatengenezwa kwanza. Sasa naona imepigwa rangi. Hiyo uko tu sawa. Hiyo iko juu, hiyo. Hiyo ya white. Unaona hiyo? Ile inaenda hivi. Juu yake. Hukuona? Haiko sawa, hata ukisimama hapa iko sawa. So the other side. Wondering what's going on. So see how things are going there now. That is how it's being done. But there's one area which has not been done, which has not been finished. What? Painting. What? So that is how it's going. That is how it's going. And well, these people. And then that side is lights, you can see it there. The caretaker's house. Yes, as you can see it there. Yeah. So that is how things are here. I think you've had enough of this. Yeah. Let us have a good day full of God's blessings. Let me close this blog right here. Thank you and goodbye. Goodbye.